Hey guys, welcome to Digital Digest, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make your background transparent in Photopea. So to do that, let's start with the Photopea login. So I'm just going to go to Photopea and then log into your account. Alright, so once we are here, let's start a new project. Alright, let's add an image over here. So let's open, go to downloads, and let's get this image over here. So if you want to remove the background, all you have to do is hover to your left and you can see this tool magic wand. Just click here. Alright, so now click on the white background. There you go. Now all you have to do is press delete button. Alright, that's right. So now all you have to do is repeat the process until your whole background is removed. So I'm just going to do this. Alright, let's work closely here. Let's be careful. Alright, okay, that should be enough. Alright, so that is how you can remove the background. Thank you for watching this video, and I will see you on the next one. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.